Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can save a video from CapCut to gallery. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your CapCut app on your phone and then open it up. Then we're going to skip this for now and I'm going to go back and be at the edit section. Now I already have some of the files right here in the project section of CapCut. I'm going to tap on it. So you can see my app needs an update. So if I haven't updated, it will ask this kind of notification. Tap on install now. And there you go. I have this file of mine. I'm going to tap and it start being exporting. You can see, and it's simply tap on done and it will be saved on my gallery. I can go back, I can open my gallery up, and that video is right over here. You can see, right? So that's how basically you will be able to download to your gallery. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.